This is mozer. It's called mozer. Yeah. This is we want to cut my hair, my beard and mustache. Oh, okay. That's the what's that? This is the I don't. Oh. What's this? I don't know. We're gonna unboxing the mozer. We bought from Amazon. Oh, that's small. Wow, it's small. I didn't think it's so small. My old one is so big, but this is very strange. What's this, Ali? Oh, for short? For this? Oh. Oh, battery? It's not electric, yeah? Is it electric or no?
No, electric.
Huh?
It's electric.
No electric?
It's electric.
Electric, but what's this?
Battery.
Oh. But where is the charger? It doesn't have charger.
No. It's battery.
Oh. But okay, so it's not electric. Is it electric or no? No.
No.
No electric. Oh my God. Why we didn't when we bought we didn't know it's not electric. It's not good.